another video, and this is very amazing opportunity. This job is offered by Cisco, and it's a great opportunity for all of the female participants who are going to pass out in 2028. Let's move forward with the requirements. So, who you are? So, you should be a female engineering student who are going to graduate in 2028, and you should have a solid understanding of computer science fundamental and natural aptitude for mastering new technology, as well as you are familiar with one of the development environment and enjoy puzzle and troubleshooting and debugging things. And also you should be you value building strong and sustainable relationship with the team and thrive in a culture of mutual support. Also, you should progress excellent verbal and written skills to share the ideas and your visionary. These are all the requirements. So, if you think you are capable, then you just go and apply for it. Don't think every female students just go and apply for it who are going to pass out in 2028. And especially mention these things also in your resume to get shortlisted. So, what you will do in summer internship, build you will use Python to build impactful tools, as well as you will utilize the solid fundamentals in the object-oriented programming, as well as you would explore the TCP and IP networking routing switching concept in the powerful global internet. And yeah, all of these things are required. So just go and apply for it. Let me show you how you can apply on this job. Click on the apply button. I will add the link in the description also. Here we are on the application. So first upload your resume from your PC. Click on the click on your resume and upload it. Click on the OK button to pass your resume details, your legal name, and choose your country from here, India, and write your legal name. Like for me, it's Ashi. Write your legal name. If you have family name, then write that also. I don't have, then I am writing the same name over here. Add your surname if you have any surname over here, and if you have local name, you can just write it. And do you have any preferred name? So I don't have, so I go for the no option. If you have, then you can go for the yes option. Then write your address over here, and then you can write the address in more detail over here. Now enter your PIN code. After adding your PIN code, you can just select your state. Then go for writing your email address. It may got filled when you pass your resume. Then just go for writing your mobile number over here. Write your number first over here. Then go for where did you hear about it. So from online search, then you can select wherever you hear about it from this video. Then you can go for it. Then have you been ever issued the Cisco employee ID? So have you ever been Cisco employee? So I have never been, so I will go for the no option. If you have been, then you can go for the yes option. So this option is for, do you want to receive application update? So yes. And do you want to receive emails related to other jobs from Cisco? So if you want, then you can go for yes option. Tick that option. And do you want WhatsApp message also? If you want, then you can tick this option. Now let's go to the next page. To redirect us some page like this. Then if you have done some internship before, then you can just add it over here. The title, the job title which you done in which you have done the internship, like software engineer or anything. So I have not done that. It's not applicable on me. Company. So which company have done the internship, like Google, Microsoft, anything. Then you can just mention their name. So I have not done, so I will mention. And from where to where. So I have not done, so this is not applicable on me. I don't know why they are making it mandatory. So yeah, Now let's move forward with the other option. Choose your college name over here, then the degree you are pursuing, like Bachelor of Engineering, then go for your school university choose and degree you pursue. So this is from a high school. So let me see the high school. And then again add your degree over here. Then this again from a high school and adding the high school over. Add your skills, write all of the skills you have over here. Then go for the next option. About are you legally authorized to work in the location. So you are Indian. If you are Indian citizen and you are and this job role is for India, so you are eligible. Go for the yes option. Do you further require sponsorship? So no, because you are Indian citizen, so you don't require any visa kind of thing. Then how many years of relevant work experience you have? So I have 0 to 1 years. Then I will add this. Go for the next option. There you will find and just go for the submit option to submit your application. And yes, you have successfully submitted your application of Cisco. And yeah, thank you so much for being with me and stay connected for such an opportunity.